Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing a review on a foam roller. So basically the foam roller is used for exercise. It's used for stretching your back, your legs, your arms, with it, just your whole body really. It's very handy. So this one I bought for around €30. It's not a bad price. You can buy them online. They are gone cheaper. You can get cheaper ones. You do want a good one if you do want to. If you're looking to do a good stretch and make sure it does stretch or does your body properly anyway, to make sure like if they're a real cheap one, they might not do an efficient job. So basically you have these little things here, so the little bubbles stick into you. So you'd roll it like that. So I'll do this. So if you roll it like that on your back, your legs, your arms, just loosens the muscles so they're not tight, and also it's good for stretching as well, and also it's just good for the body, getting blood flow, just pushing the blood around as well around the body. And you got these parts here, they're good as well. They're all of them are doing the same. These are more a bit harder than these. They stick into you a bit more than this bit, and you got these more of these on the other side again, and the exact same. And you can get a lid as well for this, or you get a lid each side if you can. Some of them do have that, this one didn't, so you can have a lid, store stuff inside if you want, but it's easy to carry around. You can stick it in your gear bag if you're going gym, or if you have soccer training or rugby training. It's very handy now, so I would recommend definitely get one of these if you're into sports. Not even if you're into sports, if you just like running or doing physical activities, they're good for, or just really good for helping you recover better. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.